To create a new template, expand the Configuration tab and select Alerts and Emails. The Alerts and Emails page appears where you can view alert subscriptions and add or edit new templates. Click the Alert and Email Templates tab. A list of alert and email templates are displayed, with template name, alert email type, and type shown for each template. The following default alert and welcome email templates are available: Standard ECRC Emergency Call Alert Template, Standard Undefined Network Location Template, Standard Emergency Call Alert Template, Standard 933 Test Call Alert Template, Standard My E911 User Welcome Email Template. Click the Add Template button and choose your desired template from the drop-down list. Then select Save. Next, complete the following fields: template name, subject line, body. Drag items from the template tag section of the dialog box into the body section as required. Hover your mouse pointer over the question mark icon adjacent to the template tag's header for an on-screen demo of this process. Add any additional text to the body as required. To preview your alert or email, toggle the Preview button on and click Save when finished. Note, when sending a welcome email to users, the standard My E911 User Welcome Email template will be used unless a customized user-defined template is available. Only one user-defined template of this type will be allowed. Users can copy an existing template to modify it instead of creating an entirely new template. Note, default templates need to be copied before they can be edited. To do this, select Copy from the menu at the right side of the Alerts and Emails display for a given template. Provide a new name for the copied template in the Template Name dialog box, and click Save. The copied template appears in the template list and is specified as user-defined in the Type column. Admins can edit user-defined templates to suit their specific needs. To edit a template, select Edit from the menu at the right side of the Alerts and Emails display for a given template. Edit the fields as needed, and click Save when finished. To preview a template, select Preview from the menu at the right side of the Alerts and Emails display for a given template. A pop-up window displays showing a preview of the alert. To delete a template, select Delete from the menu. Confirm deletion in the dialog box that appears. Note, if the template is currently in use, a replacement template must be selected.